here we are at 637 Cross Street. See, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath row home. And let's see here, we have 980 square feet above ground, and then 240, I believe, below. So brings us up to 1220 square feet. It's a really nice little dining nook here, right off the kitchen. Beautiful updated kitchen. Everything in the place was updated in 2023. Lovely countertops. Love the dual sink. Open shelving system. Stainless steel appliances. Okay. Show the fridge. Dishwasher. Soft closed drawers. Stairwell is really great. We have a little sitting area, living room. Okay, and then off of that space, we have a little half bath. Really, really great use of space. Save the patio for afterwards. Actually, let's do it now. It's right here. View the whole space through. Great, we've got a tech deck. We have a utility closet. Pull this out so we get a quick view of it. So that holds all of our cushions, recyclables, very tall, really great space. Okay. Stairs are such a great feature. Really great design. Okay, 2 bedrooms upstairs and a nice sized bath. Central air and forced air heat. Natural gas. Closet. Really great accent wall. Love the floral explosion. It's so fun. His and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers. Vanity. And porcelain tub with a quartz tile. Really lovely. Okay. Really great details. So fun. Okay. We've done our hall. Love the lamp choices, actually. Really, really spot on. There we go. Great closet. ready to make it, your own. Okay. Kill the lights as I go here. Thanks for bearing with me. And let's go back down. And our basement is pre-finished for the most part. Beautiful, beautiful tile. Love the big tile. It's really, really great. Really opens up the space. Nice light coming in there. This is all of our utilities. So we have water coming in here. And perfect for a workout area. Could be set up as an office or a guest room also. And this is our natural gas feeding in there. And then the laundry is here. Great utility room. Nice amount of space. Goes deeply back there. We have our water heater and our furnace and condenser. Yeah, great space. Let's see. Here we've revamped for, looks like we have 200. Yeah, 200. Outdoor has GFCIs. Really terrific. Just a great space. So, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, as I said, and just really nice updates since 2023. Just did a great job with it. It's really, really good job. Just nice, on trend. Feels open and light and airy. Just really, really fantastic. All right, so there we have it. 637 Cross Street. If I can help you find your next home in the lovely Bella Vista area, please do reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. Again, 637 Cross Street, Philadelphia, PA 19147. This is Lee O'Malley with Wyckoff Realtors Cornerstone. I am licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And if I can help you buy or sell a home, please do reach out. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, no matter what stage you are in the process. I look forward to hearing from you. Make it a great day. Thanks so much.